If you want to know how to play GOG games, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. Whether you just installed a game or you already have a few titles in your library, GOG makes it easy to launch and start playing without any complicated setup. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open GOG on your computer. Once the app or launcher is open, look at the left-hand menu and click Installed. This will show you all of the games that are already installed on your device and ready to play. Next, browse through the list and select the game you want to launch. This step is important because it makes sure you're choosing the correct title before starting it. After you've selected your game, look at the top menu and click Play. GOG will now launch the game for you, and after a few moments, the game should open and be ready to use. That's really all there is to it. If the game doesn't start right away, just make sure it's fully installed and that you've selected the correct title from your library. GOG is designed to keep things simple, so once you know where the installed section is and where the play button appears, you can get into your games in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy your game.